healing affirmations to help you achieve inner peace. I am willing to see things differently. I see my current circumstances as an opportunity to grow. I allow myself to give and receive love. I am happy to give without expectations. Everything I am going through is making me a stronger, wiser, and more compassionate person. I am willing to be at peace with myself and everyone. I am able to process, metabolize, and release all emotions. I allow my body to become an environment for health and healing. My body knows how to heal itself and is doing so even now. My body tells me what it needs. My body is attuned to the wisdom of the universe. Gratitude and peace flow through my mind and body like a clear healing stream. I am falling in love with taking care of myself. I choose food that nourishes every cell in my body. I am deciding to get well. I am deciding to be well. There is no other options.